In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create discount codes in Klaviyo. By the end, you'll understand exactly where to set them up, what each setting means, and a few best practices so your campaigns run smoothly without running out of codes. Start in your Klaviyo dashboard. This is your home base where you can access everything you need. On the left sidebar, open the content dropdown, then select coupons. This area is where Klaviyo organizes the discount codes you'll use in emails and SMS. It's especially helpful when you want to distribute unique, single-use codes so each subscriber gets their own offer, reducing sharing and helping you track performance more accurately. Next, choose Create Uploaded Coupon. This option is designed for cases where you already have unique codes generated by your store or promo system and want Klaviyo to handle distribution. Klaviyo will pull from your list and assign one code per recipient, keeping track so a code isn't reused. Think of it as a managed bank of codes that Klaviyo hands out for you. You'll see a name field. Give your coupon a clear, descriptive name so you and your team can recognize it later. Good names typically include the campaign or flow, the channel, the discount type, and a date or season. For example, something like Spring Launch Email 5 of April keeps everything tidy and searchable. Then set the minimum coupon count. This is a safety threshold that tells Klaviyo when your bank of codes is getting low. It helps you avoid the awkward moment when a campaign goes out, but there aren't enough codes left to fulfill it. Choose a number based on your expected volume. If you plan to send to 5,000 people this week, a minimum count of 1,000 or 2,000 gives you time to replenish before you run out. The key is to set it high enough that you get notified well before your next send. Finally, select the expiration for the discount coupon. Pick a date and time that matches your offer window and make sure it aligns with your audience's time zone. Short promotions benefit from tight expirations to create urgency, while evergreen welcome incentives might be more generous. Remember that once a code expires, recipients won't be able to use it, so give yourself enough buffer for late openers or resends. If your offer doesn't need an end date, choose an expiration that reflects that policy. That's it. With the name, minimum count, and expiration set, your uploaded coupon is ready to use in your campaigns and flows. Keep an eye on your inventory, top it up before you hit your threshold, and you'll deliver a seamless discount experience every time.